students, I am Nisha Nair. In this video, we are going to learn about what is polymer, classification of polymer and polymerization. So, what is polymer? From the word itself, poly means many and mer means units. Many units or many small units or many small molecules combined together to form a single large molecule is called as a polymer. And this small unit is called as a monomer. So, we can explain or we can define polymer as many monomer units combined together to form a single large molecule is called as a polymer. And the chemical process in which the polymer molecule is formed is called as a polymerization. Here you can see a different example has been given. The different example, lot of things which we use daily comes under the polymer molecules. For example, PVC, polyvinyl chloride pipes, then polyethylene bags, then nylon materials. Then for example, in human body we can see the polymer molecule as a amino acids, DNA, etc. the example for polymer molecule. Now, we have classified polymer according to the structure. There are three classification based on their structure. First one is linear, second one is branched, and third is cross-linked polymer. Now, what is linear polymer? In linear molecule, you can see the structure as a linear single chain-like structure. It's like a chain-like structure, single chain-like structure, like a train-like structures. One monomer combined with another and then another with third, like that they will form a single chain-like structure is called as a linear structure. An example for linear polymer is polyester, nylon. Those are the polymers which are having the linear type structure. Now, second is branched polymers. In branched polymer, you can see there will be a single chain structure, but in that you can see some branches also. So, such type of a structure is called as a branched polymer. Here you can see in the structure itself, and from the stringing structure you can find out what is a branched polymer. An example for branched polymer is polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene. Means in those polymer material you can see branch-like structure. Now, third is cross-linked structure. In cross-linked structure is an example for a 3D dimension-like structure where you can see polymer units are interlinked with each other to form a 3D-like structure, so called as a cross-linked structure. And example for cross-linked structure is backlight. So, these are the classification of polymer based on the structure: linear, branch and cross-linked. Now, what is polymerization? The chemical process in which polymer is formed is called as a polymerization. Now, polymerization is further classified into two: addition polymerization and condensation polymerization. In addition polymerization, you can see monomer unit combined with each other or added with each other to form a large molecule is called as a addition polymerization. There, no byproduct you can see. They are having the low molecular weight, and in them you can see weak van der Waals force of attraction. Thermoplastic polymers are example for addition polymerization, and examples are polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene, Teflon, Orlon, etc. Now, second is condensation polymerization. So, what is condensation polymerization? In condensation polymerization, you can see monomer units when combined, they liberate some byproducts like H2 molecule, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Such small molecules are liberated, and such polymerization is called as a condensation polymerization. They are not remolded. Thermosetting polymers are example for the condensation polymerization, and in them you can see a strong covalent bond. And example for condensation polymerization is backlight. So, polymerization is classified into two: addition and condensation based on their chemical process.